Ready to pass the CompTIA PenTest plus PT0-003 exam? Let's focus on the workflow that really matters. First, let's look at the official shape of the PenTest plus PT0-003 exam. CompTIA gives you 165 minutes to answer a maximum of 90 questions, which include both multiple choice and performance-based formats. To pass, you need a score of 750 on a 100 to 900 scale. CompTIA recommends having 3 to 4 years of experience as a penetration tester, plus knowledge equivalent to the Network Plus and Security Plus certifications. This isn't just a vocabulary test, it's a measure of practical judgment. Not all study topics are created equal. Your prep time should reflect the official exam domain weights. The attacks and exploits domain is the largest by far, making up 35% of the exam. This is where you should concentrate the most effort. The second largest domain is reconnaissance and enumeration at 21%. The remaining domains, vulnerability discovery, post-exploitation, and engagement management, are smaller but still critical. Prioritizing your study plan based on these weights is essential for efficient and effective preparation. Many candidates fall into the trap of just memorizing lists of tools like Nmap, Metasploit, or Burp Suite. While tool familiarity is important, the PT0-003 exam tests something broader: your understanding of the complete penetration testing lifecycle. It wants to see if you can think through the process from initial authorization and scoping to final reporting. This workflow-based thinking is especially crucial for the performance-based questions, which require you to apply knowledge in a practical scenario, not just recall a name. A key part of the modern PenTest Plus workflow is reporting. The PT0-003 objectives don't treat this as an afterthought. Reporting and remediation are integrated throughout the process. This means you must practice translating technical evidence into business impact. For every lab you complete, get in the habit of writing down 3 things: the finding, the evidence that proves it, and the recommended fix. This practice directly prepares you for exam questions that aren't just about finding a flaw, but about explaining its risk and solution. To build this workflow mindset, adopt a lab-first study loop. Start by reading the official exam objectives for a topic. Then, immediately apply it in a small, hands-on lab or walkthrough. After the lab, practice your reporting skills by writing down the evidence you found and the remediation steps. Finally, take a timed practice quiz. Use your incorrect answers as a feedback system to diagnose your weak spots. Were they in terminology, workflow logic, or interpreting tool output? This turns practice into a diagnostic tool. Finally, don't get trapped by focusing only on exploit names. The exam is more likely to test your ability to interpret evidence. You need to recognize common output from scanners, web proxies, password tools, and packet captures. You should also be able to read short scripts in Bash, PowerShell, or Python to understand their intent. Are they parsing data, looping over hosts, or mishandling credentials? The exam is much easier when you can look at raw output and understand what happened and what to recommend next. You now have a better strategy for the PenTest PT0-003 exam. Remember to focus on the full penetration testing lifecycle, from engagement to reporting. Put these ideas into action with hands-on labs and targeted practice. Visit openexamprep.com to access our free PenTest Plus practice questions, an in-depth study guide to start preparing today.